Why you attacking me, sir? You know?
Because it's very simple.
Come
We're just
on.
trying to
I
establish.
just got in here. You already attacking me. Don't attack me.
Well, you don't know. You don't listen to anything. It's basically where we are.
Oh yeah. Okay, sir.
So Ms. Correa announced at the beginning that y'all had agreed to some things and some things you didn't agree to. One of those was you were going to be joint managing conservators. There's going to be no back child support request. You were going to use app codes to communicate, standard visitation with an exchange location, no out-of-state visits, and you weren't going to do corporal punishment. And child support reviews were zero. Did you hear that the first time?
That's why. That's why I said out of
Did you
state
hear that
visit.
the first time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But you
Do you
said
agree to
something
all?
that I
Do
didn't
you
agree
agree to
with,
all
though,
those
sir.
things?
It was something that I didn't agree with, sir.
I didn't ask you about anything else that I didn't mention.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Okay, on those only those things. Do you agree to those things?
No, I don't agree to everything on there, sir.
What part of the ones that I just listed off did you not agree
The
with?
the one that I spoke on when I first came in, I said the one that she said no out of town. I don't agree with that, sir.
Okay. Anything else you don't agree with?
No, sir.
Okay. So you agree to everything else except for the no out of state visits.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're just trying to get a starting point here. We
I don't
all
want you
worked a
to
long
attack
time
me.
today to get to a starting point. I'd like to not argue about things that y'all have already agreed to.
I'm
You need to
sorry, sir.
listen. You need to listen to what's being said so that we can get there and get there easier. I understand we have contested issues. We're going to talk about those now. But if you don't listen to the easy parts, how are we going to do the hard parts? That's kind of why I'm frustrated, and it's late. We haven't had a lunch. We haven't had a long break. We're tired. You need to
I
listen to what's being
apologize.
said and not interrupt and talk while other people are talking. All right, Ms. Goulet, go ahead and finish with your questions.
Sir, do you have private insurance available to you for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it through your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Medical and dental?
Yes, and vision.
Okay. We're not going to talk about vision today, but for medical, how much is it for both of your children?
I pay 46.15 a paycheck
How often do you get paid?
weekly.
Okay. So about $200 a month, roughly.
Yes.
How much is dental?
10 it's 10 something. $10 and something.
So about $40 a week.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, $40 a month.
Yeah,
Um, we heard earlier that the mother testified that she's carrying medical and dental as for the children. Are you also carrying medical and dental?
I am.
The state has calculated if if the judge orders for you to be the person legally responsible for carrying the medical and dental, we've calculated child support at $13.18 per month. Would you be in agreement with that?
No, ma'am.
And why would you not be in agreement with child support being set at that amount?
Because my checks only come out to be 800 and some a week.
And do you understand that the wages that the family code says to calculate is based on gross, not net wages?
Okay.